In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RoShade not working Roblox shaders tutorial. So first, make sure that the Roblox client is not running. On your PC, open up your task manager and click on enter. In the processes section, all processes that could change your game files or show an overlay while in game, you can delete it here. So just find it here. What are the reasons for the problem? And then you should also make sure that any third-party Roblox apps such as RoShades are not running. Once done, go to your browsing and type in roshade.com and download the latest RoShade setup installer to your system. So download this for free. You just have to follow the same steps that I'm doing. Now, if the problem persists, then this issue is most likely related to Roblox client itself. So what we can do is search Roblox player, open file location. A new window will open up and then right click and open file location again. And then click on the highlighted area. Right click that one and go to the properties. And under properties, just click on compatibility and then check the display full screen and then click on apply. So I hope this method helps to fix RoShade not working. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.